In a quiet riverside village, Mama Siamese cat lived happily with her 3 playful Siamese kittens. Every day began with warmth, laughter, and a delicious breakfast. The kittens loved chasing butterflies, rolling on grass, and exploring. But one curious kitten, the youngest, always wandered a little too far.
He admired his reflection in the gentle water, unaware of the danger ahead.
Oh no! The kitten fell into the river!
Mama Cat's heart raced. Her baby was in danger. Without a second thought, she sprinted with all her love and courage. The little one fought to stay afloat, crying for his mother.
Then she saw it, an old boat car by the river.
She quickly climbed in and started the engine. Love gave her strength.
The boat car dashed over the water like a true hero.
Her little one's cries grew softer. She had to reach him now. With one brave leap, Mama Cat saved her baby from the deep river. She hugged him tightly, safe at last.
Slowly, they sailed back home, hearts full of relief and love.
The other kittens ran and cuddled around them happily. Mama carefully dried her little one with love and care. The kittens learned never to go near the river without Mama.